Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will upgrade our SSD to SSD. Here is the SSD I am using 500 GB and I will upgrade into SSD which is 340 GB. Okay, this one is. So how we can do that? First take out the lid from your laptop and then you need to unscrew it from here, which is the disconnect it from here. So let me take out this. Okay, and here is the attachment. We need to disconnect it, push it gently, and we are disconnected this, and insert the SSD, and you need to insert it SSD. Okay, insert the same way like this and make sure attach it correctly. Okay, like this. Okay, and then this is the case of this. Now we need to screw the drivers here. Now we are almost done. Let me turn on my laptop and I am inserting the bootable pen drive into it. Okay. Here is the old one, new one we have inserted, and we need to press F12 key, Control Alt Delete to boot from the pen drive. Okay. Now you need to select this option UEFI SanDisk. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so now you can see you can install the new window on it. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.